that's not the reality. Soft lit, naturally obsessed.
What?
I just need 2 days with you guys. Mark reading updates.
My guitar, but that's a tower. I try my hardest and I wall, but I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste, walking slow, bumpy.
Hello girls, welcome to another productive day of my life. I do have quite a few things that I want to accomplish. As per freaking usual, my to-do lists do tend to be a little bit unrealistic, but that's where you guys come in. You always hold me accountable. Obviously, we just did a fire workout. I walked Tyson earlier, did all my morning routine stuff. I'm gonna have more caffeine, probably, and then we're gonna do a little work sesh. I gotta do my like daily grind kind of stuff. Emails I need to edit and post, and I do have some videos that I want to film today, so I'm thinking that we're gonna like get ready, do full glam, shoot some content. After that, I want to meal prep, and then of course end the evening with some self-care and some reading as per freaking usual. I blocked out times on my calendar for my entire to-do list just so I know exactly how much time everything's gonna take. Anyway, speaking of which, I need to get inside. Let's make some breakfast. Let's lock in for a work sesh.
Baby, thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Get ready. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like an hour and a half past schedule. Now I need to get ready because I still want to film. My eyebrows are freshly tinted today, which makes my brows super easy, but I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in medium brown. Lancome Tinty Doll Ultra Wear All Over Concealer in the shade Bisque, I think. Foundation, I've been using the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Naturally Luminous Longwear Foundation. Obsessed. Obsessed. I love her. Oh, and this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection. I'll link it for you. I'll link it for you. For concealer, I have the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. I'm in the color 16Y. And then I'm using this Rare Beauty concealer brush. My battery died, but Ilia Skin Rewind Complexion Stick in the color 35W Acacia. I'm obsessed with this. Like, this is such a good product. I'll have all these products linked for you guys, by the way. And I'm using the Jones Road Beauty Everything brush. I'm gonna use this NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in the color Aragon. So good. This is another fire product. And this is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Cream Brush. I usually take whatever's left over on my nose and like a little bit on my forehead, just kind of get the colors everywhere, make it cohesive, you know what I mean? Givenchy Prisme powder, of course. This is in the color Popaline Mimosa. I cover up like the darkest color on here with a piece of tape so I can just get the other 3 colors, because that way it's my perfect shade. Real Techniques brush, I forget the name, I'll link it. Once I'm set, then I bake, but not before I'm set. Oops, I forgot to contour my nose. I guess we're just not gonna do that today. That's fine. Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. A cult fave. Attempting to focus it on length of my lashes, like the ends. Hello? I heard a new trick recently. Instead of using soap and water on a Q-tip, you just let the mascara dry completely and then you wipe it off with a Q-tip. I'm gonna wait and do that then. I just didn't want you to think we forgot about it, okay? This lip combo never fails me. This is like my go-to no matter what. Like Deserted Island lip combo, this is it. It's Lawless, Forget the Filler, Definer Liner, and Nude Honey. Yes, and we have a fresh tube of my favorite lip gloss. Oh my god, this is Lawless Forget the Filler lip gloss in the color Velvet. It is the perfect pinky nude. Oh my god, just look. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh, it does come right off. This ColourPop highlighter absolutely smacks. This is in the color Immediately Yes. It's their dewy liquid highlighter. So good. I think it's like $10. I'm gonna try applying this with my finger because every time I use a brush, it just looks crazy. Oh yeah, that's so much better. There you have it, my everyday makeup routine. The hair is sending me. I have to get ready. TikTok. Well, now that I'm done, I am like 3 hours past. Like I should be showered, skincared, meal prepped, already done. That's not the reality. I got some ideas to film some other things and I gotta always jump when the iron's hot, so it just took me longer. That's fine. I still got some filming done and that's what I wanted to do. So slay. It's 8:47 p.m. I'm not even gonna hold you. I think the smartest thing for me to do right now would be to meal prep and then we can do our self-care. Please, my hair. Thankfully, I filmed to get unready with me, so I did my full skincare routine already. But it's 9:42 p.m. I was supposed to be doing this at like 7 p.m., but hey, we got our work done, and that's what I'm like most excited about. I regret nothing. One thing about me, I gotta get good protein prepped in the fridge every single week. No questions asked. I will make excuses on eating a proper meal if I don't have good protein already prepped, so it saves me. I also just love cooking. It's a nice excuse for me to like stop what I'm doing, be present in my kitchen, be off a freaking screen. I've been hyper fixated with Cajun chicken. Hello girls, good morning. Listen, yesterday was cute and all, but I don't feel like it was good for a proper vlog. Like I just need 2 days with you guys. I need 2 days. So we're gonna continue today. I still need to do my morning gym, walk Tyson, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm actually gonna be running to Walmart because I need to get a few things. I literally ran out of dishwashing detergent and olive oil in the same day. Jail. So we will be taking a little Walmart trip together, which is something that needs to be done. Honestly, I typically go to like my small little local markets around here and they don't always have like rubbing alcohol, batteries, you know, shit that Walmart has. So I've got my accelerator in tow. I'm gonna actually zoom through my morning routine and I will meet up with you guys at Walmart. Just kidding, we're getting coffee first. I had a killer workout if you were wondering. Guys, it's already like 2:27 p.m. Jail. Not me thinking I was gonna get everything done and be at this point in my day by 12 p.m. But you know, that's showbiz, baby. I realized as I was gonna go to Walmart, I'm gonna be going right by Dunkin Donuts. You guys know I'm obsessed with their, what is it, the oat milk shaken espresso latte thing? Yeah, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that again. Thank you. Thank you. And then we'll go straight into Walmart and we'll do a little caffeinated shoppy shop. That sounds perfect. Also, it's freaking gorgeous out today. Excuse me, I'm gagged.
Hi, do you still have that oat milk shaken espresso? Yes, I do. Okay, great. I would just love one of those, please. Like a large is fine.
Thank you. I got a large at the last minute. I was just gonna get a medium. No one needs a large coffee. Like, I mean, unless you're like a nurse or you're in school or you're a teacher or you're a crackhead. But I am editing today and that's like kind of my like treat. Like I have a lot of caffeine on editing days.
Hi.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Can I have a straw? Thank you so much.
Have a good one. Bye, this is huge. Taste test. I'd be lying if I said I didn't just spill this all over my shoe. It went directly through the mesh part to my sock as well, which is great. Not too much of a casualty, as you can see. This thing was full. Starbucks would never. See if this is as good as last time. Yeah. My last one was better though, I'm not gonna lie. If I don't get everything done on my to-do list after this, I'm fighting somebody. Let's roll up the windows so people parking their cars can't hear our conversation. I know I said I have to come to Walmart to grab a few things for the house, but I also am gonna grab some stuff for Mason because it's his birthday this weekend. He's a leap year baby, by the way. So like he doesn't get a real birthday this year, but we always celebrate it on the 28th if there's not a 29th, like if it's not a leap year. Fun fact, Mason and I like never do gifts just because like we're always spending money on each other naturally. We like to go out to dinner. With all that that being said, we just had our anniversary, which is why I didn't post last week or 2 weekends ago. Tell me why this man gets me a gift. He's like, I know we never, ever do gifts, but I wanted to get you something because it's like our 10-year dating anniversary this year, 4-year wedding anniversary, which is what we just celebrated, but it'll be 10 years together. Tell me why this man got me a diamond ring. Like, hello? Ignore my ashy ass hands. I was just at the gym and I like washed them 100 times. Do you see this cutie little patootie diamond ring? It looks perfect next to my wedding ring, which he also bought me, obviously. This motherfucker was sneaking around like the week before, going to like the diamond store, like saying he was going to work early, but he was really getting this made. Needless to say, I need to get him a present for his freaking birthday. We can call it even after that. I'm not gonna be buying him any diamonds, but I do want to get him thoughtful stuff. He's a Pisces. He likes a thoughtful gift. He's also a very practical man. He doesn't like getting shit that he doesn't need, so I'm literally gonna get him like his favorite deodorant. He's been saying he wants some sweats, so I'll see if I can find him any sweatpants in here, like that kind of shit. I need to take my happy ass inside with my big ass coffee.
Wanna make you happy and then she goes 나만 혼자 남겨뒀어 대화가 필요해 너 먼저 나에게 말해봐 너와 나의 이 관계가 달라졌음 해 We're out of time So tell me you want more
Whoops, this lighting is jail, actually. No. This better? Yeah, I like that better. Okay. Okay, that took literally forever. Why is it 5 p.m.? Why is it 5 p.m.? You wanna know the gag? I went there for olive oil and dishwashing detergent. Did I grab those? No. Did I order them off Amazon in the Walmart parking lot? Yes, I did. They will be here tomorrow. I wanna show you what I got for myself first, and then I'll show you what I got Mason. Wait, can we like sit? Please, let's sit. This is so much better. Not to mention, I don't think I told you guys, I did legs at the gym. Absolutely, utterly cooked beyond measure. Like, my legs were shaking when I was doing RDLs. Pray for me for tomorrow. Anyways, let's do a little Walmart haul because your girl got some good stuff. First and freaking foremost, this EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion. I saw a girly pop on TikTok talk about it. Can't remember who it was. She was doing like her post-shower like scent layering, but the body lotion, I think it was the vanilla cashmere fragrance. There were a few fragrances that I was in between, but I saw this pink champagne. Oh, it's not too sweet, but it has like a bit of like a cozy grapefruit scent. Oh, wait, here we go. Pear champagne, ruby pomegranate, and plum suede. Anyways, I put it on my hand in the store and it smelled so good the entire time I was in the store and after I left the store. Even now, like I'm smelling my hand and like the scent sticks. Like y'all thought I was smelling good before, I'm about to smell even better. I was then gonna get a Tree Hut scrub, but I saw this and I was like, you know what, let me try this. This is like an off-brand Tree Hut scrub essentially. And I liked the fragrance description better. This is coconut hibiscus. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. And look at like the color of it. So pink, so cute, so perfect. This was literally like $4, I think. And then I've been pinning so many gorgeous, clean manicures, which is weird because you guys know, oh my God, I lost a nail in the car, by the way. Don't worry, I saved her. You guys know I love like a crazy like press-on set. Every now and then I like to switch it back to like a little French or a soft pink or whatever. This looks closest to the photos I've been pinning on Pinterest, so I wanted to try these out. It's the Kiss Impress but Bare No Glue Mani. This is the Peel Impress though, which I'm kind of scared about because I've tried these before and I didn't like them, but I'm willing to give them another shot. I feel like it could still be good. I did get myself a candle because it's tradition. Every time I'm in store shopping, I have to get myself a candle, and we're running low on the coffee table candle currently. This is Cozy Comfort by like Walmart's Mainstays brand. Oh, it smells so good. Once again, like a clean, like warm scent. Now I can show you all the stuff I got Mason. So the plan, I'm gonna make him a birthday basket. He's not gonna use a freaking basket, let's be for real. So I really got this for the house, but everything's gonna go in here. I'm gonna stuff this with all these little things that I have here. So we have this, and then I just went like crazy. I got him his favorite deodorant. This is the only kind he wears, the Old Spice Classic. I also got him a pair of sweatpants because he's been really needing a pair of sweats. The other day we were in Target looking at sweats and all of their sweatpants were like joggers. Like that's not my husband's vibe. He just wanted like a plain pair of sweats. And I was like, yeah, you want like Walmart sweats? And he was like, no, literally. Mason's starting a new venture soon. I'm so excited for him. So I got him just like a cutie little notepad, and then I got him some nice pens because we're both really weird about pens. Like we like very specific ones. I got him the wasabi and soy sauce blue diamond almonds. He's obsessed with these. He also is obsessed with this flavor pair of body armor. So I got him a 6-pack. I'm probably just gonna throw one in the basket and like hide the rest. I also got him a tech deck. He used to have these when he was a kid, and like I just love getting stuff that I loved when I was a kid. And for the pièce de résistance, I got him a Lego set. Every man loves a Lego set, but especially my man. He loves to put things together. And he's been obsessed with watching bush plane pilots recently on YouTube. Tell me how I found a bush plane Lego. This could not be more perfect. Not to mention it's like the perfect amount of pieces, and it all fit on his little desk. I'm so excited. When it's all said and done, he'll have a full basket of all of his like favorite little things. There are a few things better than getting out of a fresh shower, using your new deliciously scented lotion, slipping into some silky PJs, scrubbing your comfort water bottle inside and out, filling her up with ice cubes and filtered water. Like, I'm wellness embodied. It is officially, wait, we need better lighting now. That's better. It's officially the time of the evening where we get to do our reading updates. I have my Squishmallow. I have my comfort blanket. I have my current read. Well, my current reads, if you count my audiobooks. Okay, let's start with this guy because yes, I'm still reading it. Okay, I told you guys in the last reading update. I don't remember when that was. Probably our last vlog. I'm slowly but surely making my way through this. Yes, I'm still loving it. It's not like it's hard to pick up or it's hard for me to read. But like, look, see how far I am? I would say like 45% of the way through without any spoilers. Feyre just sent a letter to Tamlin. That's where I'm at in the book. Still love her. Still plan on finishing her. I'm honestly loving having a series that I'm like committed to while I'm going through my audiobooks because it just feels nice. Like I feel like I have like a good grounded series, the same story that I'm building on, and then I have like my fun random books that I flip through on my Audible. For my audiobooks, I am currently reading, you guys know I love a good thriller on audiobook. Right now I'm listening to Local Woman Missing. Whoa. So far so good. This was highly recommended by a lot of book girlies that I follow. Basically there's 3 women that go missing. Well, one's a little girl. The little girl shows back up, but the other 2 women don't. All of the girls lived in the same neighborhood. So you're kind of going through the story and different neighbors' perspectives. It's very interesting. I like it. I definitely want to listen to something else by the author. I am just very excited to get to the end because with thrillers, I end up rating the book not just for like the full storyline, but like the twist at the end. Like that's what really will get me. I love a good twist. That's why I love thrillers. I love a good whodunit. I love a good what the fuck is going on. Yes. And I am still listening to 5 Brothers. Guys, it's so like cheesy and weird to me. Like it's just smut, which is fine. But like the storyline isn't like giving, it's not giving. Like the smut is crazy. So like if you're into that, this is a great book for you. I think the last time I checked in with you guys, I had 14 hours left. I've only listened to 2 extra hours since then. I'm not obsessed with her, but I told you guys I don't like to DNF books, so I will finish it. I plan on finishing it. I prefer a slow burn, which is something I've realized about myself in romance books. But that is my little reading update. Now we're all caught up. Anyways, girls, I'm gonna sit in this, read my book, and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and yesterday. All of the links that I mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below, and so will all my social media links. If you want to follow me off of YouTube, I definitely filmed some clips of my day today that are not going in the vlog, so you guys will be able to check those out on my other platforms. Also, guys, I just launched memberships on my YouTube channel, so if you want early access to my videos, priority response to comments, a cute little badge next to your name that changes colors depending on how long you've been a member for, custom emojis, members only status updates, make sure you join my channel as a member. I'm gonna try to give you guys like as much like juicy content on the members tab as possible. Other than that, subscribe to the channel if you made it to the end. I post vlogs like this all the time. We do a lot of fashion content, beauty content, you know, just girly twirly swirly stuff. Lots of productivity around here too. Give this video a big ass thumbs up if you liked it. It helps my channel out so much. And if you did like it, make sure you check out these videos because you will love them as well. All right, girlies, I'm about to bake in this thing. I love you so much, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life